You could be wearing a $2,000 outfit and still look cheap, and someone wearing $30 can look like they inherited millions. The difference? It's not the price tag. It's how the clothes fit, how they work together, and what you choose not to wear. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create that quiet luxury look, even if your entire outfit cost less than one designer accessory. So before we continue, please do well to subscribe to my channel if you want to look elegant and stylish on a budget. So let's begin. 1. Make your outfit look intentional. Your outfit needs to look like you planned it, not necessarily matching, not necessarily monochromatic, just intentional. If you're wearing a cream top, don't randomly throw on 5 different colors underneath it. Instead, repeat one element. Maybe your shoes match your bag. Maybe your belt matches your watch. Maybe the brown in your sunglasses softly matches your handbag. These tiny connections make an outfit feel coordinated without looking overly styled, and that's exactly what we're going for. 2. Create space between your clothes and your body. This is one of the easiest ways to instantly make an outfit look more sophisticated. Stop making every piece skin tight. If your top is fitted, let your trousers have a little room. If you're wearing wide-legged trousers, try a more structured or fitted top. If your dress hugs your body, keep the accessories simple. Contrast creates elegance. When everything is tight, the outfit can look overly deliberate. When everything is oversized, you can lose your shape. But when there's a balance between structure and softness, that's when the outfit starts looking expensive. 3. Make your outfit look slightly undone. This sounds strange, but hear me out. The most effortless outfits usually aren't perfectly perfect. Roll your sleeves slightly. Leave the top button of your shirt undone. Wear your blazer open instead of completely buttoned. Let your trousers fall naturally over your shoes. Tuck only part of your shirt in. These tiny imperfections prevent your outfit from looking stiff. Luxury looks effortless. You want people to think it's just how she dresses, not she spent 2 hours trying to look expensive. 4. Use texture to make simple clothes look richer. If you're wearing simple colors, your outfit needs another way to stay interesting. That's where texture comes in. Imagine a smooth cream blouse with structured trousers, a textured handbag, and suede shoes. There's barely any color happening, but the outfit still looks expensive. You can combine knit plus leather, cotton plus suede, linen plus structured accessories, denim plus wool. This makes even a neutral outfit feel visually rich. And the best part, you don't need designer clothing to do it. 5. Choose one expensive-looking detail. Here's a trick that works especially well when you're shopping on a budget. Don't try to make everything look luxurious. Pick one thing: a beautiful pair of sunglasses, a structured handbag, a gorgeous coat, a sleek belt, a quality-looking watch, or even a pair of elegant shoes. Then let the rest of your outfit support it. Because if every single piece is screaming for attention, nothing looks special. But one standout detail surrounded by simple pieces, that looks intentional. So the next time you want to dress like you have an unlimited budget, don't start by asking, what expensive clothes should I buy? Ask, how can I make what I already own look intentional? So if you enjoyed this video and want to look elegant and stylish on a budget, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!